Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up your Binance Futures account and complete your Futures API binding. Launch your Binance account, click on Futures, click on the three dots and click on Preference. Now click on Advanced, set it to 20x, if it's not drag it, click on Confirm and then tick I agree, click on Open now. It will save. Again, click on the three dots, click on Preferences, and then tap on Position Mode, select Hedge Mode, click on Asset Mode, select Single Asset Mode and confirm, then click on Unit Preference, select USDT, make sure it is in order size. Go back and you have successfully set up your futures account. Now that you've set up your futures account, the next step is to bind your ROYALQ Futures API. Launch your Binance account, click on the drop down, click on More Services, and then search for API at the search bar. Tap on it. I'm just going to delete the previous one. Confirm. And then click Create API, click on System Generated, click on Next, and then I'm just going to name mine ROYALQ, click on Next, and then I'm going to put in my security code. That's a get code from my email and also my Google Authenticator. The API has been created. Click on Edit and then click on the arrow, scroll down, click on Restricted Access to Trusted IP Only, scroll up, copy your secret key and then go to your ROYALQ, click on API binding, click on Binance. I'm just going to click on Replace and then input my secret key. I'm going to paste it. Click on copy. I'm going to copy the code, go back to my Binance account, scroll down, paste it. Where restricted access is, confirm. Make sure you confirm. Okay. Then enable spot and margin trade, enable futures, scroll up, copy your API key, go to your ROYALQ, paste it, and go back to your Binance, click on Save. I'm going to get code from my Google Authenticator on my email and I'll be back. So I'm back and it has been saved. You are done with Binance. Go back to your ROYALQ app, click on I have read, click on Send Code. I'm going to get code in my email. I'll paste my code and click on Bind, and then that is it. You have successfully binded.